What if I told you the key to staying strong, youthful, and living longer is right on your breakfast plate? Discover how something as simple as an egg can help you unlock better health and a longer life. Eggs are more than just a breakfast staple. They're packed with a compound called fistatin that promotes muscle growth and boosts longevity. Beyond fistatin, eggs are also a rich source of essential nutrients like high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Today we'll uncover how eggs support your body in staying strong, youthful, and healthy. Eggs contain fistatin, a natural inhibitor of myostatin, a protein that limits muscle growth. By reducing myostatin, fistatin enables greater muscle development, which is crucial for maintaining strength as we age. To make the most of these muscle-building benefits, consider adding eggs to your meals regularly, especially post-workout, when your muscles need rebuilding. Imagine being able to stay active, energized, and physically capable even as you age. Keeping your muscles strong is the key to maintaining independence and living life to the fullest. Eggs, packed with essential nutrients, give your body the support it needs to stay vibrant and youthful. In fact, studies show that individuals with more muscle mass have a significantly lower risk of premature death. As we age, mobility can determine the quality of life, whether we stay active or feel limited by weakness. Regular consumption of eggs helps you maintain strength balance and overall physical condition. For example, older adults who incorporate high-quality protein like eggs into their diet show improved strength and balance, which helps prevent falls and injuries. The nutrients in eggs not only benefit muscle, but also support brain health. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient essential for brain function and memory. By consuming eggs regularly, you help create an optimal environment for cognitive function, improving clarity and mental sharpness. This is especially important as we age, helping to reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Eggs play a role in reducing chronic inflammation, or inflammaging. By supporting autophagy, the process of clearing out damaged cells, eggs help protect the body from age-related inflammation. Additionally, omega-3 enriched eggs, especially from free-range sources, offer powerful anti-inflammatory benefits, promoting overall health and longevity. The benefits of eggs go beyond health. Maintaining muscle mass and reducing inflammation also supports a youthful appearance. By reducing inflammation, eggs help prevent age-related issues like joint pain and skin aging. Feeling strong and youthful boosts mental health, confidence, and overall longevity, giving you the energy to live life to the fullest. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse that support muscle health, cognitive function, and overall longevity. With their muscle building and anti-aging properties, eggs can be a simple yet powerful addition to your daily diet. Start adding eggs to your meals today and take a step toward a stronger, healthier, and longer life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.